So ladies and gentlemen, today is 2021 January 13th and Wednesday again. So we are here to come to update the market. So sterling dollar has just formed this bad pattern and complete engulfing candle. And then I said we can look for a pullback or look for inside bar breakup, right? And we click the play button and it took very good show of this how inside bar works, right? So this inside bar tells us we can buy from 1.36 and a stop loss at 1.3574. There's only 25 pips, but you gained about 110 pips. So it's a 4-to-1 risk and reward trade. That is very good. Okay, and then let's move on to gold. I'm trying to do a streaming from the TradingView side, but it looks like it failed. Let me try it again, because some audience are some of the audience are waiting in the TradingView. Okay, let me just do it again. See whether it can. Okay, start stream. Okay, forget about it. It just cannot work. Okay, so gold has pulled back deeply after non-farm payroll in last Friday, and we stop loss here from 1900. And lucky for the stop loss, we actually saved a lot of money of this $100 move downside. Okay. Also in daily chart, we can see here there's an inside bar breakdown, and for the people who took this inside bar could be very profit earning, right? So this inside bar gives at least 3-to-1 reward and risk ratio, and then the gold pulls back to 618, which I updated in my group. That 1840 is a very strong support. As you can see here, there's a pin bar in the first candle, the pin bar, the second pan candle, and also there's a small pin here, touch the 6-1 again, and now today there's a rally to upside in upwards room. So go to 1 hour chart, where we can find that gold is now consolidating from 1820, okay, to 1866. And we're going to use this zone for us to create some good trade. Let me just show you how to how to create. All right, so we can imagine this is a huge resistance area, okay, and the sky is at 1866. Let's just put a horizontal line here, okay, and then we can put another line at about here, 1836, because 1836 is a recent pivot, okay, of this reversal patterns, okay. So therefore, we don't want to see the price to getting a lower low anymore, and we are waiting for the price to getting a higher high, okay. So we have this potential trade that you can wait for the breakout of 1866 and then pull back and go aim to 1888. Okay, so repeat, wait for the gold to break 1866. What you can do is you can try to create a buy stop order here at 1867. Okay, go watch the breakout at 1866. Okay, then find pullback or inside bar break up to go in the trade in 1888. So this will be the first trade I'm giving to you guys here. Okay, wait for bullish bar to overcome this area 1867. Okay, and then wait for another small candle to pull back. Best it can do is can give you a ping here and then you can buy at this level, and immediately you could actually obtain about our $20 move. Okay, so because 1867 to 1888 inside here, there's only a very bearish candle here, but there's nothing inside. There's no orders are pending selling within this red candle. There are selling limit orders from here. Okay, that's why we can aim for this breakout 1867, pull back, and then go for 1888. Okay, so this will be the first trade that we're going to cover here. Okay, and right now you can see there's a pin bar touch this 1861. Okay, so what you can do is you can utilize this resistance. Okay, and use this pin bar. You can do a quick short. Okay, because there's a one touch, second touch, third touch, but cannot break new high, right? So it actually flips down. You can take a very quick short of the gold, okay, because it really comes down very fast. Okay, so you can do two trades to that today. The first trade is using this pin bar to sell the gold, aim 1845. So this will be target 1845. The second trade will be the breakout and pullback 1867, and then you go for 1888. Right, so two trades for today for the gold. Okay, go for the euro. The euro dollar daily chart breaks the channel. Okay, so this is not very good because it breaks the bullish trend, and now it's consolidating within this area. So you can do both trade. You can do either trade. First one is you can sell the euro if 1.2133 is broken. Okay, you can sell the euro and aim 1.20. Aim here. Okay. Second trade will be if the 1.2230 is broken, then you can buy. So you can do a breakout trade here. Okay, break down, you sell, break up, you buy, and aim 1.24 or 1.25. Because dollar index has some support around 89 level. You can see here, it's a very long-term support for the dollar index. Okay, within this level, and in last week formed a pin bar, and this week it actually break the head of the pin. So this implies the dollar index may have a correction move back to 91.66. Okay, dollar index, be careful, it could rally to 91.66. Okay, and that's very important. So this is what you should do to look down. Okay, the dollar index may rally, the euro may drop, the gold can buy at the breakout of the 1867. Okay, let me just put a mark here. Okay, so give me one if you understand this trading plan. Okay, we have two plans. The first plan is to sell the pin, aim 1845, stop loss above 1863. Second plan is wait for the price to break out 1867, pull back, you buy, and aim 1888. Personally, I feel that I will catch this uptrend move because it will actually break the downtrend line as well, and price already consolidated up outside this downtrend line, and the price may pull back or all the way going back to 1940. Okay, that could be very good return of the gold. Okay, very nice. Okay, move on to sterling. Okay, sterling, focus on this level. Okay, you can use the fixing. Let me just show you how to use this volume profile. Okay, so you go to indicators, and you click. Okay, and you go to volume profile. You go to fixed range. Okay, we're going to discover where is the most accumulated trade area, right? Okay, so let's do it. Fixed range. Okay. Okay, guys, you can see here. It's very clear. Do you see this place? Okay. So sterling, you can wait for the price to come back to 1.30 and buy it again. Okay. Now there are some exchange. Okay, from the buys, from the bulls to the sellers, right? Okay. So after the exchange, if the sellers wins, the price could going back to 1.36, and here there are some people are waiting to buy here. Okay, so 1.36 could be a very good place for you to buy the sterling. So buy limits here at 1.3604, stop loss 1.3565. Okay, very simple. All right. Great. Okay, so let's move on. What happened to Aussie dollar? Aussie dollar also have a fall, and Aussie failed to break 0.78. So 0.78 becomes very strong resistance for the Aussie. And we checked for the downtrend wave and look for this place. You can find it's right at the 618 level, and it creates a reversal sign. So this is actually what you can make use of. Okay, you can use this 0.7760 to create a Aussie short position, and it may break 0.76 and aim 0.7625 and 0.75. Okay, so for our chart, since the Aussie failed to break the new high, it creates a lower high, potential lower high here. Okay, correct. So you can use this as a selling opportunity for the Aussie. Okay, and the neckline is at 0.677650. So the price could form this kind of a double top formation. Okay, and break down, it actually leads to more downside room to 0.75. Okay, so I suspect the Aussie may have a fall. Okay, after it attempt to break new high but failed. Okay, all right. Same thing happened to the Kiwi. Kiwi just pull back to nicely to structure. Remember what we talk about a structure? Structure is something that previously acting as a resistance, and then it acting as support, and then the breakdown pulls back. You can see it very nicely reject the price from 0.70 to 40 level. So you can use this level for you to create a sell of the Kiwi dollar as well. Okay, just to believe the 0.7020 is a very strong resistance, and all you need to do is stop loss to set above this high about 0.7252. Okay, and the downside room looks very big. The Kiwi may fall back to 0.70. Look for this level. Okay, there may be a correction, just like what Sterling did. Okay, remember Sterling already pulls back to the December 28th low here. Remember, this is Sterling, right? But what happened to Kiwi? Did Kiwi perform the same pattern as well? No, not yet. Okay, so let me just show you. Compare. Want to add a symbol. However, over can choose you like to over any symbol you like to add to the chart. Oh, I think it's changed to the okay here. Same skill, new price skill, new panel. Okay, new panel. So this what we create. Okay, it's a new channel for a new panel for the Kiwi. You can see the chart looks the same, but slightly different. Okay, so this is a Kiwi's chart. This point is a Sterling's low at December 20th. Okay, and where the Kiwi is at here. So Sterling already come back and rally again. However, the Kiwi still are above this line. So maybe the Kiwi will going back to 0.7080 and then it rally. Okay, so this is what we learn. We can learn from the movement of Sterling to determine the Kiwi's potential move, right? Okay, let's move on. So Kiwi you can sell. You can do a sell trade of the Kiwi dollar, aim 0.75, 0.7075, 50, and then you can buy from here. Okay, buy the low of the Kiwi. Okay. Update for dollar yen. Dollar yen you can sell from 104.20. Okay, dollar yen. 104.20 is a very strong resistance. So structure has already been broken. Okay, pull back, sell the dollar yen, aim 103. Okay. There will be a 80 pips move of the dollar yen. In daily chart, the dollar yen still in this channel, didn't change anything. Still in this downtrend channel. Okay, so dollar yen may going back downwards to 102. Dollar Canadian. Okay, there are some support at 1.26, but the key resistance still at 1.29. So I will still be focusing on selling dollar Canadian with any pullback to 1.2850 or 1.2840. I will sell the dollar Canadian here. Okay, using this pin, using this 618 level, you can pull the 618 level here from the pivot to the low. Okay, from the swing high to swing low, the 618 at 1.2832. Okay. So this is what you can do. You can sell the dollar Canadian at 1.2832, which will be giving you a good level for you to win. Okay. Yeah. Oh, let's look at oil. Oil has a very strong fall. It just falls and penetrate 53.20 level. Okay, so what we can go to 5-minute charts. The first thing is you can look for any inside bar, potential inside bar trade. Well, here it has this inside bar. Can you see that? Okay, so you can sell the inside bar. You can sell it right now. Just put your stop loss above 52.94. Okay, and the oil may continue down all the way. 30-minute charts tells me it could go back to 52.20. This level, aim for this level. Okay, so there are some loyal to 4 can sell right now because this is a momentum trade. What we can do is to join the momentum, sell the oil all the way to 52.20. Okay, yeah, that will be a very decent trade because this huge red candle is very, very powerful. Okay, no buyers there to buy the oil right now. So any pullback can sell the oil. You can sell the oil. Hi, Nicholas. Yeah. Any questions? Daily chart, oil has performed a fake key breakout. You can see here, there's a pin above the previous high. The high is already created, but then it has reversed, right? So you have to be careful of this pattern because this could lead to a reversal sign. Okay, in 4-hour chart, the whole uptrend channel could be broken from this time, right? So I want you guys to create some short position for the oil. Okay, you may get a super good return all the way to 51. Okay, and then 48.49. Yeah, 49. The downside room is here. Okay, let's go back to the gold 5-minute chart. What we can have? Okay, the gold just touched the previous low here, 1851. So guys, we can buy the gold right now. Okay, this is a perfect XYAB patterns that I love it very much. Okay, so XYAB complete. There's 88.6 and 78.6 could be my potential reversal zone here, 1852. So you can buy the gold from 1852 all the way back to 1861. There are $7 movement, okay, at this place. Put your stop loss below 1849, okay, and aim 1861 and 1866. Okay, the short gold trade had already canceled because it already completed the target at 1845 or 49. Yeah, so don't short gold anymore because the sellers already completed the target. Now we can focus on buy because the price trying to get on the 1849 level for twice and now failed to break the low, right? And they can use the 2618 trade as well. So this is double bottoms, okay, double bottom, pull back to 618. Okay, so buy the gold right now. The reversal is coming. Okay, stop loss 1849, aim 1861 and 1867, and that's all. Okay, let's move on to S&P. S&P Daily chart is a sideways. Okay, so could happen two scenario. The first one is after the consolidation, the price determined to break up and break the 3837, 3833. You can continue rally for the S&P, but after break 3778, it could going down. Okay. Okay, so remember for this correction channel that to be broken, and you can find some trace of this structure breakout. Okay, so for our chart, let's see, the price is basically, yeah, it's doing nothing, still sideways. Okay, consolidation, and the consolidation is going to complete. Okay, I think it will give you this chance to sell the S&P from 3008 and all the way back to 3730. Okay, so aim for this level for the short position. Okay, and alternatively, if the price choose to break up the triangle, you can buy from 3008 and aim 3850. Okay, well, sterling covered, yes, sterling covered, buy from 1.36. Okay, now it's 1.3650, right? So buy limited 1.36. Okay, very, very straightforward. Yeah, all right. Okay, good. So move on to the Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin after rally to 42K, the price drops a lot and complete this bad pattern that we know. Okay, so now 31K has become support. Okay, if you want to buy, try to buy close at 31K. And the price is coming to this one touch and the second touch. Okay, so now 618 level is at a 3260 here. You can consider to buy the Bitcoin from 32791. 32791 will be a good place for you to buy the Bitcoin. And this time your target could be about 38K to 39K. Okay, I think the Bitcoin will have another rally after this correction, a deep correction from the one try and a second try. But the tricky part is here. After the Bitcoin formed a two try and rally back to 38K or 39K, I would suspect this bearish pattern to complete as well. Okay, and then the Bitcoin may have another fall. If the 42K fail to break up, it will actually turn down, going back to 30K and eventually testing 26K. Okay, so if you want to buy the Bitcoin, I will strongly recommend you look for 26K for this level to buy. Okay, because the price, it could be too expensive for you to, to buy and hold right now. If you want to buy and hold, better wait for 26K. Okay, look at gold. Okay, instant rally, right? Correct. Instant rally, right? That's perfect. That's perfect. This is what we want. Okay, we identify the supporting zone and we buy from here and instant rally. Okay, 1857, instant $4 captured. Okay, very good. Did you buy the gold right now? Just now? When I said we can buy from this XYAB patterns, XYAB, okay? Instant ready. Boom. Very good. Wow. Marubozu candle comes, okay? So the gold, it really have a strong momentum after this structure broken, okay? I'm sure the Y67 was broken and you can have a good rally back to 1888 and 1900, and eventually the gold will perform a ABCD pattern this time. Okay, so let me just show you how does ABCD pattern move. Okay, so this is the AB move, and since the C point already touched the 618, so we can do expectation that the gold made the second rally. Okay, it could go back to 20110. Okay, so there will be about 150 pips. Sorry, $150 movement for the gold. So find your way to hold any long trade of gold, and you want to really to get this money. Okay, this rally will be yours. if you find any patterns that I teach. Okay, and your stop loss should be put below this pin. Okay, 1817. Okay, so this is a long-term picture, and you go to lower time frame, you can find more patterns. You can join many times. Okay, for you to capture the entire rally afterwards. Okay, and more importantly is you have to understand how to read the chart. Okay, how to understand the different candlesticks. Okay, such like this very long pin bar here, such as this reversal bar here. Okay, this is engulfing candle appeared, and you buy, you immediately you can earn some money, right? And you can, the best way is when the 1867 was took, okay, it could form an inside bar breakup. Okay, so inside bar will be one of my favorite pattern. Okay, you can really, you can have a very quick risk and free trade. Okay, risk-free trade for you. After 1-to-1 reward and risk ratio close half, then the rest half is actually a free trade for you guys. Okay, so this is how we win the money. Okay, from a professional code of trading. Okay, find the inside bar breakout, find the breakout and pullback. Okay, understand the pin bar engulfing, understand the harmonic patterns, understand this hand and shoulder patterns. Okay, a lot of things you have to learn. Okay, before you can make some money from the market. Okay, the Ethereum already complete the highest point at 13K. Okay, so this is very nice reward since the last time in the last year. I said we can buy bought from 500 or 480. It really triples. Okay, yeah, almost triples your account. And now the big correction already comes, daily engulfing candle. So well, I would suspect that now the potential support is at from 900 level, and the price may come back. Okay, but you have to be careful about the 618 level. That is from the previous high to low, which is 1182. Okay, be careful about this level. Okay, there will be some sellers to appear here, so the price may have a second fall after the 618 was touched, and the ABCD is targeting at 700 or 750. Okay, so Ethereum, if I were you, I will try to buy the Ethereum from 750. Okay, and it's actually a 50% discount from the 1,350 level here. Okay, almost a 50%. Okay, and that will be a very good place for you to buy the Ethereum. All right, are we cool? Good. XPEV, okay, sure. XPEV, no problem. And I think last week I said it already finished the correction. Okay, the triangle was broken and another 618 was pulled back. Okay, so XPEV continue buy, no problem. Okay, just buy and hold XPEV. It will create a new high later on. Okay, just like how Tesla moves. Okay, any correction, use the 618 level, use the triangle, break up and retest. Okay, because there are some fundamental support, fundamental idea of this company. Okay, the XPEV is really manufacturing a lot of good AI new energy cars, and the sales figure is good, and the cars quality is good, nice, cheap, high performance. So there's nothing you need to worry about the XPEV. Okay, yeah, because I also own an XPEV car, the P7. After half year driving, my summary is the car is really good. Yeah, it's better than any those traditional oil car that I think. Yeah, although it's only selling at 300K CNY price. Okay, let me just tell you, it's a 300K CNY car. Okay, about 40K US dollar. Okay, and the Tesla's Model 3, okay, is selling at above, is higher, above 300K CNY. Okay, but the price is cheaper than the Model 3, but uh, the energy, the battery level is higher. Is higher than the Tesla, and the skins, the feather, The inner structure is also very high quality. So I think the car has no problems. XPEV okay to buy. Okay to buy from the 38 or 34, 40 level. Okay, and you can find this double bottom created, right? So now we can use this neckline. Okay, 49 or 45 is a good place for you to buy. And also for the NIO just to create new high, right? Yeah, NIO is really good. Lee is also doing good job. So Lee you can buy from 27.50. Yeah, it's all the same concept, a new energy car. Okay, same concept. So buy and hold. Can share Tawin? What is Tawin? This one? What do you mean? Copper company that put into vaccine manufacturing. Okay. Are not. I don't know which you are talking about. VRM. Okay, sure. VRM. Room. Okay. This is a new stock, right? Okay, from the chart, well, I think you can buy from the 618. Yeah, 36.94 will be a good level. So you can start to create your positions. Yeah, generally create. The price we will have already soon. Yeah, looks good. Looks good. Already found a support from 32. Gold moves very nice. Gold already hits 1860. Okay, you can take some profit. You can take some profit of gold. Okay, it's super good move for today. Yeah, Malaysia share. Malaysia share. Oh well, I'm not very familiar with Malaysia share. Yeah, so that's why I think the stocks really this is a penny stocks. I think. Yeah, I don't recommend you to buy this kind of company. It really, it's yeah. I just hate penny stocks. Okay, it's hard of any logic of the fundamental side. It's most of this those inside news driven. Okay, if you know the CEO, you know the management team, you know where they want to buy and want to sell. Okay, you can trade, but I don't suggest you to use fundamental analysis for these stocks. Okay, because there are a lot of penny stocks. It also have charts, also have these kind of patterns, right? But it really doesn't give you a hope in the long run. Okay, it could fail at any time. Can you imagine this thing drop from $1 to 65 cents? Crazy, right? What kind of company is this? Okay, I just hate this penny stocks. Okay, so we don't suggest you to buy. Yeah, BYND. Okay, the Beyond Meat, right? Artificial meat. Are you seeing that? Okay. For this company, I think okay is having some fundamental support. Be careful of this gap. Okay, the gap at a 99 or 100 level. Our 618 should be at 104.95. Wow, bingo here. Okay, wait for the price to come back to 104, and you can consider to invest some. Right? Yeah. Oh, veggie meat. Yeah. By the way, I'm starting to become a vegetarian now. Okay, because I'm now believe in Buddha. Okay, so Buddha tells me I cannot eat any meat anymore. Okay, so I have been doing the my uh dinner and lunch for all vegetables. Yeah, and I have been participating in this for more than 1 month. Okay, it really feels good. Yeah, feels more energetic and more transparent of my, yeah, because I can feel there's less blood, no, those kind of obstacles in my blood. Yeah, vegetarian. I like vegetarian. I think it helps in my trading as well. Yeah. All right, so let's look at a Xiaomi. Because there's a student who asked Xiaomi whether Xiaomi can invest, right? Xiaomi is good company, as I said. Really good. It really does a lot of good job. Okay. Buy and hold. Okay. Buy and hold Xiaomi. It will give you a good future. Yeah. If you are in China, you know that you can just check the sales volume of Xiaomi's handphone, Xiaomi's home domestic products, those home electronic device like Xiaomi fans, Xiaomi aircon, Xiaomi washing machine, Xiaomi uh, sweeping machine, a lot of things. It really sells a lot. Okay. And Xiaomi owns its own technology department about the AI furniture. Okay. Yeah. So I will be very, very bullish on Xiaomi. Yeah. Please tell us about gold. Gold already covered. We already finished the trade for today. Yeah, just now I said we can buy from 1852. Okay, there. I think you come late. Yeah, you can buy from 1852. Now already rallied $6. And the big money will come when Y66 was broken. So just wait for this place to be broken. Okay, wait for the price to break 1867 and then pull back. You can find all the way going back to 1900 and 2010. Okay, in long term, I didn't change my view of gold. I'm still waiting for this cipher pattern to complete. Okay, still valid. Okay, so buy the gold. Buy the gold. ABCD pattern will tell you 2010 will be the target. 2010. Okay, so buy the gold. Can you look at the PTON? Okay. Whoa, looks very strong. Very strong company, very strong product. Interactive. Pollutant. What do they do? What is this company about? What is it? What is this company's major service? Okay. If you see a stock's performance like this, okay, a one-way trade, the best strategy will be inside the bar. Okay, trust me, the best strategy will be inside the bar. Like this, inside the bar. Okay, like this, inside the bar. Like this, where? Here, inside the bar. Okay, yeah, you can use a lot of inside the bar to to create a lot of free stocks for you guys. 1-to-1 close half, then the rest half will be a free trade. It's a strong trend. Continue rally, maybe. Yeah. Exercise bikes. Oh, okay. You take classes online through bike. Wow, that's cool. Okay, e-cycling away, cup handle currently. Yeah, not you are talking about a cup and handle? Well, yeah, it looks good. Yeah, but the only problem is the price is really at the all-time high. So I will rather wait for the price to break new high to prove to me it can break new high. Yeah, I will wait for the breakout and then I will go for the inside bar. Okay, you can look for the inside bar for this company. A lot of inside bar. Just watch it. Watch the inside bar. This pin bar can be rely on. Yeah, it's okay to rely on this pin bar. Okay. All right. So yeah, last but not least, okay, if you are interested to learn trading from me, you can go to my website of harmonyasia.com. Okay, and I have my course information there. I will teach you all the 6 essential skills of trading. Okay, how to understand the market, how to buy low instead of high, how to identify good patterns and trade consistently, and how to determine the correct stop loss and the profit taking level. A lot of things I need to cover, and you can learn all my strategy at one time. Okay, the videos are available to you forever, and you can join my students group as well. Right. So thanks for coming, and see you next time. Bye bye. The video recording will be ready in YouTube. Yeah, the YouTube channel will be www.youtube.com/Projack. Okay, so you can find the recording of this webinar for tonight. I think after a few hours, I will upload the recordings. All right. So see you next time. Plan your trade and trade your pen. Bye bye.